There, I want to share with you today the top 3 things about this utility wagon. First is just how easy it does collapse. Handle goes down, reach in, pull this up. It lays flat. It could fit easily in the back of your truck, your SUV, your minivan, whatever you put in. It's the trunk of a car even. Second thing I'd like to point out is how the shell can easily come right off. Just got some straps here. You can take this, if you need to wash it, squirt it down, anything, you can easily do that. And my third favorite feature is going to be these little cup holders here in the back. Never realize how much you're going to actually use these until you get it out to the beach, to the ball field, wherever you're going to be using your wagon. And you have to have somewhere to set your drink while you're pulling everything. So these come in very handy as well. A couple other small little things I do want to point out is the extendable handle. Press the button, pull it up. Makes it very easy pulling behind you, gets at a good distance. And then has this little spot here for the handle. You can easily hold it so that it can stay upright. Don't have to worry about it falling all the time. And then check out the wheels here. Nice, got some nice knobs on them. Makes it easier for pulling over grass, gravel, dirt, wherever you're going to be taking it out. So there you have top features for this collapsible utility wagon. Goodbye.